VK6 Triple J Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Do you copy, Craig? Yeah, Victor Kilo 6 Triple J, Craig. This is Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Your name is Roland. Do you copy?
VK4 Foxtrot Bravo. VK6 Triple J. VK6 Golf Charlie.
VK6 Triple J. VK6 Triple J calling CQ.
Yeah, I got a bit confused there, sorry guys. I got a Victor Kilo 6. The Victor Kilo 6 Golf Charlie, Victor Kilo 6 Golf Charlie. This is Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo.
I think conditions are too bad for me. I keep hearing both of you. You're going up and down, so I'm not really getting anything. So I don't think anybody's hearing anybody today. VK4 Foxtrot Bravo. Good to hear you rolling. VK6 Golf Charlie.
Yeah, good afternoon. VK6 Golf Charlie, that came through quite well. About a 5 and 9, I would say. But yeah, the satellite's tumbling, so I still think it will improve, I hope. Yeah, VK6 Golf Charlie, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo. Name's Roland, you got that right? I can't see your name anyway. Can you give me your name, please, over?
Yes, Gary Roland and Gary Golf Alpha Radio Yankee in Perth. Satellite's about 5 and 4 at the moment, but it is tumbling quite a bit. And I know Craig is there as well, trying to call CQ, so maybe Craig can hear us also. But good to catch up with you on a not so good pass today, Roland. Hope that was okay. VK4FB, VK6GC.
Yeah, roger there, Gary. Victor Kilo 6 Golf Charlie, that came through quite well. Not much of a signal strength, maybe a 2 or 3, but Q5, so very good. Let me turn the power down a little bit. It's still tumbling, but anyway, so it's quite okay. So I'm going to put that in your log. VK6 Golf Charlie. Gary, this is Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo, over.
Yeah, roger, Roland. Whoa, I can hear myself 5 and 5 now, and you're about 5 and 4 as well. So, yeah, it tumbles a lot, doesn't it, Roland? Tumbles a lot. That 5 and 6, incredible how it can vary. Anyway, let's see if Craig's there. Hey, Craig should be there. VK6 Triple J, VK6GC.
Triple J. Not sure if you can hear me, Alex, over.
Yeah, roger, Craig. You're not as loud as me, or what Roland was, but I can hear you, Craig.
It's not working too well today, is it? I'm not sure who the other station is. VK4 Foxtrot something. I'll put it back to you. VK6 Triple J listening.
Yeah, roger, Craig. You're normally stronger than this on the bird, so I don't know what's happening there. But yeah, it's fading out for me now. The other station is Roland, VK4 Foxtrot Bravo. So yeah, but you're not as strong as what you normally are, Craig. I don't know what's going on. It's up to good strength 5 now, but it is tumbling a lot, Craig. Over.
Yeah, VK6 Golf Charlie.
VK6 Triple J. Yeah, not very strong. Let me just hear myself on the downlist. Across to you, Roland, VK4 Foxtrot Bravo, VK6 Triple J.
Yeah, roger there, Craig. I copy you quite well. At times you go a bit down, but when you're up, you're up. And yeah, anyway, I take into account the tumbling. So it is tumbling. I'm turning the power down at the moment. Yeah, I seem to get into it easier. But anyway, VK6 Triple J, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo, over.
You said 6, that's on road. I can't hear you, Craig.
Yeah, I've noticed. I could hear myself really well. I was even squeaking into it, so I kept turning the power down. A few watts. But yeah, tumbling, still tumbling a lot. But anyway, Gary, you're still coming through quite well. Anyway, I haven't worked the satellites there for a bit. I'm about to move for a location, and I'm all, I think, in panic mode. Gary, VK6 Golf Charlie, Victor Kilo 4, Foxtrot Bravo, over.
Yeah, Roger Roland. Yeah, it's coming a little bit now. Hang on, I'll turn my power down as well. But I don't think it makes much difference. It's about 20 watts. But I'll go back to 100. It's only Kostyagi, so I'm losing a bit. I go about 2 dBs of feed a loss, and right-hand circular, you lose a little bit more there because you've got 2 beams and only half working each one, of course. So anyway, great to hear you. Now it's gone again. It goes from 6 to about 1 into my noise. So yeah, just the nature of the bird. It's nowhere near as stable as Oscar 7, is it? Nowhere near as stable. So lessons to be learned there from a 46-year-old satellite. I wonder if Craig is there. Is there Craig? VK6 Triple J and VK4 FB. This is VK6 Golf Charlie. No, I can't hear him, Roland.
Yeah, Roger, he's talking, but it's way down. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's way down. Yeah, no, I haven't worked out for Oscar 7 there for a while, maybe a couple of months, couple of months, yeah, something like that. I'll have a go at it. I will. But this one does work. I've had some good contact on this one without this tumbling. But when it tumbles, it makes it really difficult. But anyway, it seems to work there okay now. Yeah, I still got a lot of screeching there. I see how low I can go. That's not much power at all. Maybe a watt or half a watt. Yeah, I'm pushing it, so I'm turning it up again because I didn't hear myself. Anyway, put it over to you, Gary. VK6 Golf Charlie, Victor Kilo 4 Foxtrot Bravo.
Myself pretty loud, but that's not how you're receiving me, is it? And yeah, I can back up my power a little bit too, so down to about 20 watts, but yeah, I'll take it back up. I don't think it's going to make any difference. Yeah, but anyway, it's working very, very good at the time, and you're Q5 most of the time, and it just drops right down into the noise. So, like I say, we're only running 4-element Kostyagi, but running 100 watts of power into it. But I've got a couple of dBs feeder loss, and you got your matching harnessing on. I'll turn it down a little bit now. That's about 50 watts as well. See, when it works good, it works extremely.
come from Indonesia, and I've probably made it into the past band anyway. But anyway, at least it's not lots of people. Hope you heard that, Roland, and hope Craig can sort his transmission out as well. VK4FB, VK6GZ.
Yeah, Roger there. Yeah, but we've had this up and down again a little bit, but I got most of it. Yeah, I got, what's the power now? 20%. 20%, so from 100, yeah, roughly 20 whatever watts, I believe. Yeah, good. So, yeah, I did have Craig in okay there at some, there for a little while, but then he went right down, so I'm not sure. But anyway, it's nice to make this contact there and to give my antennas a bit of a workout before they come down, because I will be taking everything down soon and pack up. I'm not going too far, but a little bit less ground, less properties. Be interesting. I should be able to. I won't have any problems fitting my satellite antennas. Not really satellite antennas. It's just 19 element RD on 7 centimeters. A 10 element on 2 meters.